Okay. Okay. I just didn't want you to.
This way, since you already got blocked.
Okay. You're good. I just didn't want. That's cool. You let me know. No worries.
You know what I forgot to ask? Is the key with it? Do you know?
What? Was it trailer?
Yeah. Trailer. Yeah. So technically, that's
what? It's off and customers, you know. But
I'm more worried about it.
yeah. So, and that's the fun part about accidents, is it's all about improvisation. Just make sure you find a solid hook point. If you feel good about it.
The cable tight.
So I want.
Yeah, sorry.
It's a pain.
No, they don't. Yeah. If I let it upset me, I'd be upset all the time. Probably. This is probably.
I'm gonna neutral.
I'm happy. The best case scenario, it is rear wheel.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to readjust them.
Yeah.
Sun comes up and sun goes down. Yeah. Everything good comes back around.
I truly don't mind either way. And the only reason I'm asking is because different officers have different preferences.
I can
sweep that up, get as much up as I can, and then get all the kitty litter up, or kind of spread it out enough to let it keep soaking up. Because this is kind of y'all show.
Thank you for what you're doing, by the way. Thank you for it.
Here, let's do this. We'll pull off and let's spread some stuff around.
Right.
Yeah, hey, so I'm gonna kind of spread this around, pick up the junk real quick, and then we're gonna pull off somewhere else to finish securing it so you guys can roll out. We'll all be safe for getting off the road. There, yeah, help me out. Finish strapping it down. I'll pull over here somewhere.
So the other half of that.